And what is different here now to except to compared to adobo?
This is with tomatoes. It's also with soy sauce, but it's marinated with tomatoes and lime or lemon. This one I use lemon. The adobo we use vinegar.
Butter?